Tanya.
I'm pleased you remember me, Kota.
I will never forget those who freed Mileena.
She vowed to create a free Edenia, something you refused to do.
A united Outworld stands strong against its enemies.
It will never be united under your rule.
Your rebellion is all that prevents it.
See, the thing is as well is I actually am a fan of Tanya as a character. Ouch. But she's an absolute bitch to fight. Ouch. There we go. Cringy. What I love as well is that Kota Kahn ends it with he ends it with a knee to the face, as if that's the, you know, as if he saved the worst till last kind of a thing. I also love how casually everyone in the background is just going about their daily business, despite the fact that their emperor is in a fist fight with a woman. Sorry, my dear. Oh, poor woman. I'm sure she'll be fine though. It's Mortal Kombat, you know, no one ever dies in their rooms. There's never any mortal rooms. Ow. Ouch. Oh, that would have been the end of it too if I hit it just landed.
You're no Edenian.
Damn it, try to be clever. I'm just gonna spam her for a little bit. Am I proud of it? No. Yup. I do love his big boot attack though. Ow. Okay, we got her. We got her. See, the thing with Kota Kahn, he's not the most fluid character.
You are a fool to trust Mileena. She tasks me for the last time. Mileena.
Kano was to kill you, miserable snake! Bronate! Another Edenian, the supposed half-god.
Kombat here! I am a son of Argus. I was not merely declared a god by befuddled commoners, Bullock.
Surely Mileena suspects your true intentions, son of Argus.
My intentions are to teach you the difference between pretension and godhood.
I suppose those are valid intentions. Ow. Ouch. Stop pummeling me! See, I used to love Raiden as well, but he's not actually a playable character in this. Despite the fact that you can fight him. You know, obviously you fight him in the storyline, but... Ow. Oh, you defended yourself. But yeah, Rain was one of the guys I was most disappointed wasn't actually... I mean, I don't see the point in adding them into the storyline as characters. But then, you know, not letting them be in the roster because... That's a great move.
Your sacrifice honors me.
Oh there. Ah, damn it. There's definitely a bit of a waiting time for Kotal Kahn to actually throw a sunstone. Ouch. This is actually not going too badly for me, and then all of a sudden... God damn it! Last second.
That should silence you.
You won't touch him again.
But I will. As the heir to my father, Shao Kahn, I, Mileena, Khanum of Outworld, order your execution!
Ah, shit. She's a fast moving one, Mileena. She's gonna kick the shit out of me. The thing is I'm actually a big Mileena fan. I actually prefer her to Mileena. Ow. I love the detail in the X-rays as well. You know where you can see like Mileena's teeth, for example. They made sure they had her Tarkatan, whatever you call them. They made sure her fangs were in there, you know?
Duplicate pretender failure.
As for people on YouTube, obviously won't be able to see this, but there's a bit of a discussion going on in the Twitch comments about Rain being a character for like, you know, DLC and stuff like that as he's in the story mode. I reckon they'll probably release Baraka and Rain as like, I mean, there's no definite plans to have them as DLC just yet, but they'll probably stick them in there at some stage, you know? Just to carry on making a little extra money. Oh, I actually won.
There will be an execution this day. You will atone for your descent, Mileena. Your blood will make right. Up the stair path, to the fire's edge.
What did my emperor see?
A mere cub, grown to be a jaguar.